Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to work Pencil Space's camera and audio setting. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to start my call, and you'll see that currently Pencil does not have access to my microphone or video settings. If this happens to you, go to the top left-hand corner of your screen, click the lock icon, and turn on access to camera and microphone settings. Now, when I go to start a call, I have access to video and microphone settings. So you can make adjustments based on the options you have. You can change where your audio is coming from. In here, you can adjust whether or not you're on camera or if your microphone is on. So I'm going to confirm my changes and start the call. So now that I've started the call, you can see that my camera is on, but my microphone isn't. In whiteboard mode, if I would like to adjust these settings again, I can just go to my participant box and I can just adjust the settings along the bottom of my participant box. I can unmute or remute and turn on and off my video. In gallery mode, if I wish to change my audio or video settings, I will just go to the bottom bar on my screen and I can make adjustments from there. If you would like to access your audio and video settings panel during a call, click the three dots found under your participant box, select audio and video settings, and your audio and video settings panel will reappear and you can make any adjustments you need and confirm the changes. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to click the help button at the top right corner of your screen.